So here's the main sink. I didn't install this because the day I came, the hole for the sink was cut in the wrong place, and he has the old countertop in the garage or in the basement. But this is what I wanted to look at, and I know a lot of people have been interested in this, is the miter joint. And let me check here. That looks pretty good. And you can see it's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, Will, so it's been about 4 years since you've moved in the house? Is it 3 years?
About 4 years.
Okay, so tell me what else you've done. The tile's new. I know that.
We actually put the new backsplash. This is a tile backsplash by Walker Zanger.
I like it.
It's a really, nice tile. It was actually one of their more affordable pieces. And fortunately, we have a warehouse right up by the Raritan Bridge that we were able to go to and pick this up directly from the warehouse.
Great.
The other thing that we added to it was the in-cabinet lighting. The in-cabinet lighting is all done with LEDs. The LEDs actually look like, if you can see, is this stickable LED lights. All right.
How do you plug them in?
There is, in this cabinet is a transformer that goes from 120 volts to 12 volts. And right here on the side, we have dimmer switches that we can turn. So if you want to back up and see what it looks like without the lighting.
Let me back up and turn it on and turn it off, or turn it up and turn it down.
Okay. So here's the under cabinet lighting and in cabinet, and then here's the over cabinet lighting turned on as well.
Oh, that's nice. I like it.
So,
and you did that?
Yeah, it's a very simple project. It's low voltage. The materials, I think I'm about $60 or $70 in materials to do all the lighting myself. It took me about 4 hours to do it.
Now, if you don't remember, guys, I installed the sink in the countertop, and that was like 3 or 4 years ago. And when I did that, I pointed out Will's countertop. This is all Sapele. I've built countertops out of Sapele before. But what I was concerned with was this miter joint. It's held together from underneath with pocket hole screws. And 4 years later, looks pretty good to me. That's tight. And it's held up well. Because you've had parties here and you've got 2 kids?
2 kids, yeah, we had.
And William's tough
parties.
on things.
My son is pretty brutal. You can see his Bosch tool set over there.
Oh, man.
So it's
good
fun.
kid.
Yeah.
All right, Will, I'm going to run. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks.
Okay, well, that was just a quick look at my brother Will's countertop. I've gotten emails over the years since I posted the original video wondering how the countertop is holding up, and especially that miter joint. And I'm really happy to say that the countertop is holding up well, and that miter joint is perfect. There's not any kind of separation whatsoever. So if you're going to build a wooden countertop and you've got an inside corner, I think pocket holes are the way to go. I didn't get an image of the underside of the countertop, but if you were to see it, there's a pocket hole screw just about every 1.5 inches or so. So a lot of pocket hole screws and probably some kind of glue, probably an epoxy. And if I ever build a wooden countertop with an inside corner, that's the way I'm going to do it. I'm not sure what the finish is on the countertop. I have a feeling it could be a pre-catalyst lacquer. It doesn't have the same feel as a urethane, like a polyurethane or a Waterlox, and that seems to be doing pretty well too. So now I'm back in the shop. This is what I'm working on. This has been a pretty big project. I was hoping to have this finished by the weekend. The project will be finished. I'm going to finish this up later today. All the parts are done. I just have to assemble everything. And then I'll have this video up on Monday or Tuesday. But what it is, if you haven't been following me on Instagram, is a double-sided cabinet. The front will be an electric fireplace. The back is a bookcase. It has a Sapele top. And it's, like I said, it's finished. I just have to assemble it now, finish the video, and then I'll post this hopefully sometime early next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.